Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make and paper aeroplane. So guys, let's get started. So guys, for this you need a scissor and a colored paper. I'm using green colored paper. You can use any colored paper or an A4 sheet. So first we will divide this into two parts. Press it and then open it, and then do like this, that we do usually in every paper aeroplanes. And then turn this paper, it should be like this, and then you have to make sure that these are like pointeds. Then open this paper. This part, this tip point should touch this line like this, and then press, and then make it like this. This basically these two parts should touch this tip. Then press, and then do it like this. You still have to make sure that it's pointed. Then take this part like this to the upper part. You have to make sure that this triangle thing should come. Okay then guys. Then turn it and do it like this. Press and then take this and do it like this as the normal paper aeroplanes, and then turn it and do it like this, and then you will see it's like this. Then do it again like this and do this with both sides. Both sides do it, and then do it like this with the other also. Do it like this only. Then you will see it's like this coming, right? Take it and press it like this hard, and you have to cut like this, not like this. Take the scissor and cut it like this. Take the small whatever scissor you have, take it and just cut it like this. And then guys, you will see the back part, it's like this, the front part like this. So you can use this paper aeroplane and play. It glides very good, and yeah, just if you want to throw this here, then you can throw this, or else you can make something to the backwards, but it's no need for me, so I am throwing it. So guys, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and please make sure that you have pressed the bell icon. If you have not, then press it also, because then if I have uploaded a video, you won't get it first. So press the bell icon and see my video first. And guys, please share this video to everyone. Thank you guys, and goodbye.